Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check for the firmware update of your Sennheiser CX Plus. First of all, you have to be connected with the Sennheiser application and then select them from the list. Next, you have to click on the settings at the bottom and here click on the firmware. As you can see, in my case I'm up to date, but here you can find information about the latest updates. So I just cannot download anything because I just did it, but if you didn't update your earbuds for like few months, you can probably find the new features to download. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.